Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought that I would just sit here and just dabble and chit chat with you guys. Stay tuned for Friday. I will do a property tour on Friday, but for today you just get me. And I want to just talk about a couple of things. Right now, it's a really good time. I've mentioned this in several of my videos. Buyers, be intentional right now. And I just want to give one example. So I'm under contract right now for one of my buyers. I was able to get a whole new roof, a whole new retaining wall, all repairs that we needed. Everything is being taken care of by the seller. She is taking nothing to the closing table because we were able to see that down payment assistance just made sense for her. Got closing costs covered. Of course, the only thing she paid for was that earnest and option money, and of course your inspection and appraisal if needed or wanted. So she's really getting into the home for less than $2,000. And it's just amazing what you can find out there when you have a great realtor like myself, thank you God, and just being able to have proper expectations and having good conversation up front to make sure like, okay, this is your goals, this is what you want, this is what makes sense for you, this is a good direction for you to go. Down payment assistance because it just matches the market rate right now. We can negotiate this, we can negotiate that. This is the area that makes sense in accordance to your monthly payment. This is, what your options are. We just talk about everything and we're able to really get a good game plan in place to show you clear upfront, no confusion. This is what I can do for you. This is what fits your goals, your needs, and what makes sense for you financially, for you and your family. So all in all, it's about great conversation. And really, I'm trying to figure out how to translate this next video that I want to put forth in a week or two. And it really just boils down to that, having good conversation and expectation for buyers and sellers before taking that step, because I'm seeing it a lot right now. And that gap where there isn't conversation, when there isn't clear expectations or having realistic expectations, it just creates fear, doubt, frustration, and makes for a really unhappy journey. So once I figure out how to really translate all this and put personal experiences into play and not really feel like I'm targeting anything, I will put it forth. But as of right now, San Antonio, Texas is still the same as far as market update. We're in a buyer's market. Great time for buyers to be intentional, like I've already said. Sellers, you still have a good hand depending on where you're at. Honestly, any questions, need clarity, need knowledge, need insight, reach out to me. My number is here on the screen. I love to have a conversation with you guys. No strings attached, does not obligate you to me whatsoever. But if there is a real estate agent that you do not have, that you know that you can trust and have vulnerable, deep conversations with, know that I'm here to service you and guide you in the best possible way. So all that being said, I hope you guys are having a great February. We're already in February. That is crazy to me. Time is just going by as always. And just bouncing it off from years past, the market usually starts to heat up around March, April. So it's a really good time right now. I keep emphasizing this because I know a lot of buyers are hesitant still, but then they come back and realize, oh, I should have listened. Right now is a good time. Be intentional, my buyers, because when the market heats up, you may not be getting the great same deals that you could right now when it's slower. So I'll catch you guys on the next video, and I hope you guys have a great day.